Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out the old legends Pete and Bass, Keys and Bags. Yo, I love these guys, bruh. I really love these old guys. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. These niggas are driving something clean, fresh and clean.
I ain't allowed in the club no more, but still bust deals outside. Cutting out weight on the left, dishing out bags on the right. Dish dash, dish dash.
What the? Yo, are these old dudes really kidnapping people, bruh? Yo, this shit is crazy. They look at they're kidnapping all young people too, bruh. Young thugs. Oh.
I got the keys and bags. I ain't allowed in the club no more, but still bust deals outside. Johnny went away for a long one. Smashing his wife.
Oh shit! My dude said he's smashing Johnny's wife. What the?
My nigga.
Yo! In the club no more, but still bust deals outside. Johnny went away for a long one. Now I'm smashing his wife.
Johnny, your wife has been plowed by a 70-year-old man or a 60-year-old, or whatever it be. He's an old dude. He ain't lying. Smashing your girl, bruh.
The front of the pub when I pull out the snub, they run for the line. When I took it out still just once, and the snub nose gonna sneeze twice.
6 points in the back of the truck. Emerson Bings look down in the motor.
Yo, this grandpa are the baddest motherfuckers, bruh.
Trust Big Neil on the wheel, and I trust Pat with their luggage.
Youngsters.
For a long one, and the young man never said nothing.
I ain't allowed in the club no more, but still bust deals outside.
Hey.
Dish dash, dish dash. I got the keys and bags. Dish dash,
This dash.
I got the keys and bags.
Yo, this is so funny.
Don't talk round here, you talk get left on pavement. Open the show for Octavian. That young man was amazing. Rise up to my mate Lodi. That's a young king in the making. I keep it up from Lodi. I took the pack, I sold it.
You know why this is so funny? They're old guys, bruh. But they just look so neatly dressed, and they're playing a gangster persona. This is some funny ass shit, but who to tell they were some badass when they were younger? So who to tell? I don't know.
I got the guns and swords and shurikens and C4s and shine. I ain't allowed in the club no more, but still bust deals outside. Cut out weight on the left, dishing out bags on the right. Dish dash,
Dish dash.
I got the keys and bags. Dish dash,
Dish dash.
I got the keys and. I ain't allowed in the club no more, but still bust deals outside. Cut out weight on the left, dishing out bags on the right. Dish dash,
Dish dash.
I got the keys and bags. Dish
Dash, dish dash.
I got the keys and bags.
Damn, yo, this shit was crazy. This was awesome, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I love this one. I love all of their songs, but this one was so funny. This one was literally so funny because you got old guys capping bullets in man, beating up young thugs. Yo, this was awesome, bro. Yo, these old guys are like legend, bro. How many old people like this, like these old guys, are literally rapping and doing stuff like this? Not many. I'm sure you can count on your fingers how much old people are literally rapping like this. Very few. So this was pretty awesome. I'm not gonna lie, I love this song. Pete and Bass, legendary old guys. Hope you guys live to see many more years, cause you guys are not ready to retire, obviously. So this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love.